Hi, this is Areem Khan and today I am talking to Global Spa. Well, I relate to myself as happy hippie. Being said that, I've always believed that I have a hippie soul. A lot of people have a very fixed, rather wrong notion of hippies. Most of them think that hippies are these unhygienic, pot smoking junkies, but hippies are much more than that. Hippies are people who love living in peace and harmony and in sync with nature, not really pressurizing themselves to be following societal norms but living life on their own terms. And I am somebody who's always lived my life like that. So yes, that is the reason the name is Happy Hippie, which means me. Effortless, gender neutral, and affordable. Well, it's very difficult to choose one product because I have curated my products over a period of almost 2 years, testing multiple samples on myself and then finalizing these 4 products that we are coming out with right now. Of course, the range will be expanding in the near future, but very, very difficult to choose one. But I think I should say the all-in-one serum, face serum. It has to be sunscreen and lip balm. My skincare routine right now is all the products from Happy Hippie, the face wash, followed by the serum, followed by the face cream. And that's exactly my skincare routine. In the day, of course, the last step being sunscreen. I never ever leave my house without applying sunscreen. Happy. I want people to understand that taking care of your skin and hair shouldn't feel like a task. It can be an easy thing. It can be something that makes you happy and gives you more time to spend on things that you love doing rather than sitting in front of the mirror trying to follow 7-10 step routines. That taking care of the skin is not difficult. Unfortunately, in today's time, skincare somehow has been presented to the audience as a very complicated and hectic task. But taking care of yourself shouldn't feel like a task, and the lesser the better, the easier the better. Beauty is being happy internally and effortlessly. I don't remember any movie taglines, but I would give maybe a song I can say would be "Don't worry, be happy." But the real tagline of Happy Hippie is "Glow naturally and live freely." Tough question. I think both, because launching a brand is difficult because you've worked on this one brand for almost 2 years. It's such a passion project for me, my heart project. It's literally like a baby. So, and films, of course, some films take longer, some films don't take that long. And right now, since I'm not a producer, my films have always been that I've worked for somebody else. Yeah, this is mine. So I think that's why I'm a little biased towards Happy. Keep it natural. The lesser, the better.